Hello, I am Wizard of the North. You can call me Wizard. Today, I am finally starting on the interior, namely the plumbing and electrical. First things first, I need to clean up in here so I have room to work. Okay, now we have some room to work. The electrical panel is going to go right about here, and that is the very first step. Going to use this piece of pipe just to protect the cable. Okay, that's the panel mounted. Okay, that's all the panel hooked up. The next step is to bring another wire in right through here. Okay, now that this wire is all through here, we're going to connect it up to the pressure switch on the pressure tank. And after on that, we have to cut down this water pipe and attach it to right here. I just cut this off of here, and it's the perfect length to join up to the pressure tank. Okay, the electrical and the plumbing on this side of the pressure tank is all hooked up. Okay, now that all this is done, we have to drill some more holes in the studs to run the water pipe through. Okay, all the holes have been drilled. The next step is to run the PEX through the walls to the hose tap. And of course we need to drill a hole for the hose tap right about here. Okay, we have the pipe running through the walls. Now a couple more 90s to hook it up to the hose tap. Okay, all the electrical and plumbing for the hose tap is done. We have it coming from here, the pressure tank, all the way around, and it comes out behind those ladders. The main breaker is on, and I don't see any big sparks happening over here, so I think that's good. This is the breaker that the pressure tank and pump is hooked up to. Just going to turn that on. Hey, look at that! You see that pressure gauge? I don't know if you can see that. Not bad. Oh, that's good. That sound is the tank filling up. Things are looking up. I'll update you in a few minutes when this tank is filled up, and then we'll go outside and hopefully water will be coming out of that hose tap. Okay, well I was just about to go turn on the hose tap when I noticed that it's leaking quite a bit. So we're gonna have to take this all apart and retape all these threads. Okay, I just spent about an hour taking apart the pressure tank and all the fittings and retaping everything and putting it all back together. I think it's good now. These two are tight, that one's tight, this drain is tight, the gauge is tight, the pressure switch is tight, this plug is tight, and that is crimped on there. Hopefully, when I turn this back on, it doesn't leak. If it does leak, I don't know what else I can do. Let's turn the breaker on. Okay, everything was tight except for the valve that is supposed to open. For a split instant there, I was extremely worried until I realized what was happening. Okay, let's get everything dried up and try that again. Okay, got everything dried up. Let's try this again. Pressure's going up, 40 psi. No leaks yet, but last time it didn't start immediately. 50 psi. Oh, there we go. Pressure switch shut off. Holding steady at 50 psi. And now we sit here for a few minutes, see if that paper towel gets any drops on it. Okay, well I've been sitting here for a few minutes now, and no drops on the paper towel. Now, if you'll follow me, I can finally see if the hose is working. I mean, I know that I definitely have running water now, but I still want to see it come out of somewhere it's supposed to come out. Good morning, it is day 25. I woke up this morning and there's still no leaks from the pressure tank, so that is some great news. Today we're going to continue doing all the electrical, putting in boxes and running wire to the boxes. Let's get started. Okay, that is most of the electrical and most of the plumbing done. I am now ready to put my outlets in and my lights in and the kitchen sink right about here. But before I do that, I have to put up insulation and paneling. But that's next video. As always, I am Wizard of the North. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.